Gram-positive bacteria. These bacteria are defined by their thick cell wall, made primarily of a substance called peptidoglycan, which holds onto a purple dye during a lab test called Gram staining. That simple test, developed by Hans Christian Gram in the 19th century, remains one of the most important tools in microbiology. The thick wall not only gives them structure, but also affects how they interact with their environment. Gram-positive bacteria are widely found in soil, water, and on the human body, especially on the skin and in the respiratory tract. Some exist peacefully as part of the microbiome, while others, such as Streptococcus and Staphylococcus, can cause infections when they enter the body or multiply uncontrollably. Gram-negative bacteria. These bacteria have a more complex structure, with a thinner peptidoglycan layer and an additional outer membrane that acts as a protective barrier. During Gram staining, they do not retain the purple dye and instead appear pink, which helps distinguish them quickly in laboratories. This outer membrane contains molecules called lipopolysaccharides, which can act as toxins and trigger strong immune responses in the human body. Gram-negative bacteria include many well-known pathogens, such as Escherichia coli, Salmonella, and Pseudomonas. They are commonly found in the intestines, water, and soil. What makes them particularly challenging is their resistance to antibiotics, as the outer membrane can block drugs from entering the cell. Infections caused by gram-negative bacteria can become severe, especially in hospital settings. Their structure not only protects them, but also allows them to adapt rapidly, making them a key focus in MODA. Bacteria cocci are bacteria with a spherical shape, and their arrangement often reveals their identity. When viewed under a microscope, they may appear in clusters, chains, or pairs, each pattern linked to a specific group. For example, Staphylococci form grape-like clusters, while Streptococci form chains. These arrangements are not random. They result from how the bacteria divide and remain attached. Cocci are commonly found on the skin, in the mouth, and in the respiratory system. Many live harmlessly, contributing to the natural balance of microorganisms in the body. However, some can become pathogenic under the right conditions, leading to diseases such as pneumonia, meningitis, or skin infections. Their compact shape allows them to pack closely together, which can make infections spread more efficiently in tissues. Bacilli bacteria. Bacilli are rod-shaped bacteria that vary in length and thickness, giving them a more elongated appearance compared to cocci. This shape often allows for better movement and nutrient absorption, especially in liquid environments. Many bacilli are found in soil, where they play a critical role in decomposing organic material and recycling nutrients. Some species, like Bacillus and Clostridium, can form endospores, which are highly resistant structures that protect the bacteria in harsh conditions. These spores can survive extreme heat, dryness, and even chemical exposure, remaining dormant for long periods. When conditions become favorable, they reactivate and grow again. While some bacilli are beneficial and used in industries such as food production and pharmaceuticals, others can cause serious diseases. Their ability to switch between active and dormant states makes them both useful and potentially dangerous. Spirilla bacteria. Spirilla are rigid, spiral-shaped bacteria that move using external flagella, allowing them to swim in a corkscrew-like motion. This movement is especially useful in thick or viscous environments, where straight-line motion would be less effective. Spirilla are typically found in aquatic habitats, including freshwater and marine environments.
Their spiral structure is not just a defining feature, but also a functional advantage,
helping them navigate complex surroundings.
Although fewer spirilla are known to cause human disease compared to other shapes,
their mobility gives them the ability to colonize unique ecological niches. Their presence in water systems also plays a role in maintaining environmental balance. Spirochetes are flexible, spiral-shaped bacteria that differ from Spirilla in both structure and movement. Instead of external flagella, they use internal axial filaments, which run along the length of their body. This allows them to twist and move in a smooth, wave-like motion, enabling them to penetrate tissues more easily. Spirochetes are known for causing diseases such as syphilis and Lyme disease. Their ability to move through bodily tissues and avoid immune detection makes them particularly effective pathogens. They often spread slowly within the body, which can delay symptoms and complicate diagnosis. Their unique movement and structure make them one of the most fascinating types of bacteria. Aerobic bacteria require oxygen for survival and use it to produce energy through cellular respiration. This process is highly efficient, allowing them to generate more energy compared to bacteria that rely on other methods. They are commonly found in oxygen-rich environments, such as the surface of the skin, open water, and the upper layers of soil. Many aerobic bacteria play beneficial roles, including breaking down organic matter and supporting ecosystems. However, some can cause infections, especially in areas of the body exposed to air. Their dependence on oxygen limits where they can live, but within those environments, they often grow quickly and actively. Anaerobic bacteria thrive in environments where oxygen is absent or extremely limited. In fact, some species are harmed or killed by oxygen. They produce energy through processes like fermentation or anaerobic respiration, which do not require oxygen. These bacteria are commonly found in deep soil, sediments, and the human digestive system, particularly in the intestines. Many anaerobes are beneficial, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. Others can cause infections, especially in wounds or internal tissues where oxygen levels are low. Treating anaerobic infections can be challenging, as these bacteria often grow in hidden or hard-to-reach areas of the body.